Hello, kids, and welcome back. Today, we are going to learn a little about what and how our robots actually work, how they function. Before building them, we need to understand what happens in a robot. In a robot, do we have just wires, or is it just a code, or is it something more? Are there small kids sitting in the robot with their computer laptops? Are they move, trying to move it from inside? Or are there some programs, MBlock, Tinkercad? These are helping this robot move. Today we are going to discover what real happens in our robot. In a robot, there are three main parts. One of the thing is brain that thinks, that tells the robot what to do. If you want to drink water, your mind, your brain tells you, okay, you are thirsty, now you get to the deep freezer, get a cold water and drink it. That is the brain. That is the thing that is that tells you what to do. For that, we use programming, and we have a separate course, MBlock. I will leave the link in the description. We have another course in Udemy as well. So you can learn the programming basics, how to program your robot, how to give the instructions to the brain of the robot, what to do, when to do, how to react if something happens. So my strongly advice is take this make block course so you can understand the basics how the brain works. And then there are senses. These are the senses. I'm thirsty. When I'm thirsty, then the brain will tell me, go drink water. So, how I have sensed that I am thirsty? If I am touching a hot plate or a hot surface, my hand is instantly drawn back. Actually, my mind, my brain is telling my hand to draw back. First of all, my hand, my finger, whatever touched the hot surface, it told this brain, oh, this is very hot. And the brain says, okay, retreat, come back. These are the senses. And then there are the actions. The action means my hand is drawn back, or I went to the deep freezer, got some cold water and drank it. These are all the actions. So these are the three functional parts of a robot: brain, senses, and actions. And electronics connects all these three. So, what is electricity? In electronics, we control electricity. Electricity is just like water. It has wires just like pipes of water. It has a current like water flows, the current flows, and it has the components, controllers that controls the water flow or control the electric flow. Just like tap in your washroom, you open the tap, you can control the flow of water more or less, hot or cold. This is how you control the flow of water. Same way we have controls the components in electricity, in electric, where we can control it. So we control how electricity flow that is electronics. Without electronics, there would be no robots, no smartphones, no smart systems. Electronics is the foundation of technology. So, what we are going to learn today, we are just going to learn a little about Tinkercad, Autodesk Tinkercad. In Tinkercad, we are going to create a circuit. In a circuit, we can draw how our things flow. So I am getting a battery here, that is a 9-volt battery, and I am going to turn it. Okay. So what happens here? I am going to get an LED, then I am going to get a resistor. We are going to learn all these things, and I am going to, what I'm going to do, first of all, let's see. I am going to connect these with wires. Okay. Now when I'm going to click on simulation, nothing is happening because the electric flow is not in the right direction. I'm going to stop it and just delete it. I'm just going to cross the wires. Okay. So let's see what happens. My light has, it is on. There is a light. There is a electric flow. Because we had right wrong direction in the first attempt, it was not lit. So that is how electricity flows, and that's what we are going to learn, and that's how our robots move, sense, react to anything. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.